Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and a whole bunch of Facebook groups that you'll have to find the links below. I'm not going to go ahead and list them here. Now, check it out. We're having our drawing for the challenges for the month of January of 2025. And the kit that everybody used in the challenges is called Elegant Burgundy. So that's the drawing we're doing, is the Elegant Burgundy drawing. And this is for the Junk Journal Tutorials and More group. You can see right here. And we had 200 entries. Yes, 200. You guys were very, very excited about the kit this month. And everybody did a wonderful job with these beautiful, beautiful posts and pictures and makes. Now, you're going to see a few X's in here. That's where I had to remove names because I made a mistake and entered a design team member name. That's a bad boo-boo. And so instead of moving everybody around with their original numbers and such, I just put an X in there in place of the person's name. And if we get one of those during the drawing, then of course we'll just draw again. So the prizes this time, there's 5 of them. This is something new for this year. And each winner will get one junk journal kit, and this month is a collaboration month, so you'll get to pick your kit from either the Line Dot Arrow Etsy shop or the Nonstop Paper Crafts Etsy shop. Those are our 2 designers, Natalie and Suzanne. I almost forgot for a second there. Sorry about that. And the only caveat is that you cannot pick a bundle as your free prize. Obviously, it's free because it's a prize. And you cannot pick the month of February's kit. In fact, in this case, it's kits because that's just not fair. You can't get them for free, one or either or both, to everybody else. Okay, so that's the rules. That's the rules we decided on, and those are the rules you got to go by. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our random number generator. I've already preset it to 200. The 161 was from the Sweet Pea Papers drawing, so just ignore that. And be sure to watch that and see if you've won in that drawing. And then after this one, I'm going to be recording the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts drawing, so make sure that you watch all 3 videos to see if you've won in all 3. You can win once in each drawing, but you can only you can only win once in each drawing, but you can win in more than one drawing. Okay, all right, here we go. The suspense is killing me. So there's 5 winners, each winning 1 kit. The first winner is number 91. Wow, I was right there. And that's Mandy. She's winner number 1. This is my wonderful system that I came up with in the Sweet Pea Papers video. Because, you know, I'm a genius and coming up with stuff ahead of time is just my forte. Okay, and winner number 2. Going to be number 116. That's not going to be too far of a scroll. And that's going to be April Broughton. Well, look here, see? If you do a lot of projects, then you have a lot better chance of winning. That's for sure. And so she was winner number 2. And now let's draw for winner number 3. Remember, you get to pick from either Nonstop Paper Crafts or Line Dot Arrow's Etsy shop, but not both, just one from either one. Number 12, let's go. And that's going to be Daleen Berger. And she's going to be winner number 3. All right, here we are getting down to it. Winner number 4 is going to be number 79. At least we're jumping around. That's always fun. Okay, and that's an X, so we're going to do it again. Number 68 And that's Annie Allenback. She entered quite a bit this month, so that was nice that she won. That's winner number 4. And then now we're going to do winner number 5. And that's going to be number 14. And that's going to be Sheila Trott. Number 5. Okay, so we've got 5 winners in this drawing, and we are going to have 5 winners in all the drawings, obviously. And so make sure, like I said, make sure to watch them all to see if you've won in each one of the drawings, because that is entirely possible. You could have won a kit in the Sweet Pea Papers drawing. You could have won a kit in the Line Dot Arrow drawing. You could have won a kit in the Two Sister Jam drawing, in the Sophie's Crafty Corner drawing. I mean, there's 6 groups. You could have won 6 prizes. So watch all the videos from all of the groups and make sure and see if you've won a prize in all of the drawings. Wouldn't that be fun? Okay, all right, well, that's it for this one, and be back in just 1 second for the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts video. Okay, all right, I'll see you in just a sec. Bye-bye.